Well, everyone, this is Steve Tristan with Steve Tristan's Best. I'm here with DIY Aidan and Francisco from
Ladies Crusaders.
Okay. And we're at an event. What's this event called?
It's called the Catholic Maker.
Catholic Maker. Okay. Who's putting it on?
TheCatholicMaker.com. They put it on every year.
Okay, cool. Which church are we at?
St. Francis Sales in Sherman Oaks.
Sherman Oaks. Okay, cool. Which is a part of Los Angeles County, California, right?
Yeah.
And we're here today. There's a lot of booths. People are selling items primarily during Advent for Christmas, and we're currently in Francisco's booth. We found very astonishing, which is an awesome booth that they make all these different things. And I'd like to see if Francisco would explain exactly what we have here. Come in closer.
All right, so we have rosaries, different rosaries. We hand make all the rosaries on the decades, as you can see here. We make rosaries and also decade beads. Rosaries, some are stainless steel, some are plastics. We also custom make them. So if you have a particular color of paracord, particular color of bead, stainless steel or mix, we can do that as well. We have different people that want particular crucifixes, and also when you purchase a rosary or you purchase a decade rosary, you get a free medal from the box here on the right. You get select from those medals, which your purchase of the rosary, so whichever you want. Some people get one, or some people get multiple medals, and they add them to the rosary as well. So, and I know the medals that we have is a variety selection.
I have a question specifically about medals.
Yep.
The medals, what are they? Like, are they saints? Are they?
Yeah, these are saint medals. These are different types of saint medals.
So can you just ramble off, I don't know, half a dozen of them?
The particular one, the more popular one is the Miraculous medal. We have St. Anthony, Our Lady of the Rosary, Our Lady of Sorrows. We also have St. Michael. We have one that's St. Florian, the Holy Family.
We like St. Michael, St. Michael.
Yes, we do.
It's our patron saint. Look,
we have
he's
that
right here.
Yes, we have that. One that's really particular is the St. Michael that's in red. A lot of people really like this one. That's St. Michael in red, and then also has the guardian angel on the back. Here, there's a guardian angel and St. Michael.
So it's a really great website.
So yeah, so like I was saying, you get the free medal with it, with the purchase of the rosary or the decade.
And then you have some other stuff over here?
Yeah, so we're venturing out to these type of metal, St. Benedict medals, little bigger 8 inches medals. So these are wall crucifixes. And then also we have these on top for the holidays, for the birth of Jesus, the Holy Family, and the Pieta. These are olive wood. And then we have these earrings. So we have these earrings of our Miraculous medal. And then the bracelets there as well. So this is something new that we started doing.
What are these?
So these are paracord bracelets. So these are custom order as well, depending on the size of your wrist. And you can choose a different color that you have. We have various colors of paracord, and also each purchase of the bracelet comes with a medal as well of your choice.
Okay, Francisco. So basically, all the custom rosaries and all the different items that you do carry. How can somebody get a hold of you? Do you have a website or anything? Or
well, currently we don't have a website. We're just started making this business. So the way you can get a hold of me is by email me, our latest Crusaders at gmail.com, and just email me, and then we can get in contact and go from there.
Excellent. So we will go ahead and put the email in the description, and then later when you get a website, we can update it. Just send us the information, and we can start that. Okay, guys? Thank you very much. Francisco, thank you.
Thank you.
And take care, and God bless.
We'll catch you guys next time. Bye.